What's going on, guys? I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1966 all-original GTO. This is a one-owner car, sat in the garage for 25 years. Let's go on a test drive. All right, getting ready to take off in a 1966 GTO. This is a real GTO. It was in the basement of a guy's house locally here in Tennessee for 20 or 25 years. It's a one-owner car. It's very rare, 4-speed. It's rare to find something like this age that is one owner. 389 motor in it. Should be the original motor to this car. We're going to take off down the road. Any kind of driving flaws that I see, I'll point out. I also did a walk around description video of this car. You can check it out. I'll link it to the bottom of the video in the back. Let's take off. Clutch lets off as soon as you come off the floor. Horn works. I don't think the radio works. Blower motor's blowing pretty strong in here, coming from the floor. Speedometer's coming up, showing 92,000 miles. Gas gauge is bouncing around, but we'll stop at the gas station and check that. I haven't done that yet, so I haven't even driven the car personally. Steering, I mean, as soon as I turn, it turns. Clutch feels good. Car's got plenty of power. It's not built by any means. Fairly quiet car as well. Headlights, windshield wipers are not working. Oh, there they go. I think the switch is out on the windshield wipers. So if I push the button in, it starts, but if I turn it, it don't work. So they do work. The motor's not burning up. The switch is out. Steering wheel straight. Turn to the gas station up here, put about 15-20 bucks worth of gas in it, and we'll continue our ride. Brakes are strong as well. Putting a little gas in it at the gas station. Usually run about $15-20 with some premium fuel. What I like to do is check the gas gauge after that and make sure it works. Let's keep on rolling. That gas gauge up there. Might have to get to rolling. It isn't really moving right now, but I'm gonna guess as soon as we get to driving, it'll probably come up to about half a tank. I will check that again. Let's keep rolling. Shift's nice and smooth. Every gear is easy to go into. There's plenty of power left in this motor. Clutch feels good, steering feels good. Try the brakes again. They feel great. Only thing I have noticed, that gas gauge is bouncing around, but it won't come off a quarter. I put 15, 20 bucks in here. Should come up to about half a tank, so. Clock don't work. Reverse. All right, guys, this is the end of my test drive video. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to help you out. I'd really like you to check out our website, maplemotors.com. I got 100 detailed pictures of this car and any car on the lot. You can check that out. I hope you see that. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I post them every single day. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for your support. Thanks for sharing. And thanks again, guys.